Hi friends, by clicking the subscribe and bell icon button, you can see all my videos without missing out any of my updates.
Hi friends, today we will see types of mechanical ventilation and modes of mechanical ventilator. There are basically two types of mechanical ventilation: non-invasive mechanical ventilation and invasive mechanical ventilation. Now let us see modes of non-invasive mechanical ventilation. These includes NIV pressure control and NIV pressure support. Now let us see modes of invasive mechanical ventilation. These include volume control, pressure control, PRVC, pressure support or CPAP, volume support, SIMV, volume control plus pressure support, SIMV, pressure control plus pressure support, SIMV, PRVC plus pressure support. Do like, share and comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more useful videos. Thank you.